Hey, this week I got a Ryobi opener video for you. It's definitely not one of my best works. I was ready to get out of there. By the time I was done installing this thing, there were a few things I didn't really particularly like about it. But anywho, if you got one, more power to you. They're not too bad, I guess, but I definitely would not buy one if it was me. But yeah, check it out. Tell me what you think. Give me your thoughts on Ryobi. All right, thanks. So when you open up the box, this is what you got. You take everything out of the box, this is what comes in it. All kinds of fun stuff to put together. There's the power head. And there's our rails. Alright, well, I'm going to get after it. The LED light kind of shines down. Definitely LiftMaster has the advantage on that. Because they're directional lighting versus, this Ryobi just kind of points straight down. I mean, it's okay, but whatever. There you have it, Ryobi garage door opener.